Welcome back to your WebQuest 5th graders. Today we are going to be working on comprehension. So you are now with your groups. I want you to please pause this video and each of you pick one of the events you selected from the 2 months provided. Now that you have selected your events, you are going to read about them. You may be asking yourself, Miss Leonard, where do I find the article I'm going to read about my event on? Well, I provided 2 links here, one to National Geographic Kids and one to History for Kids. If there's another website you'd like to find your article on, just let me know. So to begin, I want you to each read your article independently. While you're reading your article, I want you to take notes on it. So for the note topic, just write the name of the article. Make sure you write on your note catcher the events, people, key terms, and facts you learned while reading your article. Next, you are going to think aloud as a group. I want each member to take a turn talking about what you read in your article so that your group understands more about the event. You should be giving a short summary that you will next be writing about. So after you think aloud, I want you to each independently summarize your event. So this will be based off the article, and you are just going to write a short summary about a paragraph so that when you turn it into me, I can understand what you read about. I have made an example to help you understand what you are going to be doing. So the article I chose is on the moon landing from National Geographic Kids. And this was on July 20th, 1969. While I was reading my article, I took some notes. So the events that I was learning about was the landing on the moon. Some key terms that I learned was the space race. The people who were in the article were Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. And some fun facts that I found was the flag on the moon, which I will be telling you about in my summary. Okay, so usually right now I would think aloud with my group, but since I do not have a group, I'm going to skip ahead to the summary. So I am going to write the United States and Russia were in a race to see who could land on the moon first. This race was known as the space race. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin were the first 2 men to step foot on the moon. They placed an American flag on the moon to show that they had won the race. So that's it. That's all you have to write for the summary. You will be handwriting this so you can turn it into me, so make sure you write it in your journals. And lastly, if you have any questions, just please come ask me. I'll be happy to help. Good luck.